Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we'll show you the material test run of the 5kg EPS Grape box mold. Here's the full testing process. This mold produces 12 pieces per cycle. We usually perform a test run after the mold is completed to ensure perfect delivery and reliable quality. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.